Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 10th. It's my 7th video of unit number 2. In my previous lecture, we have completed the reading along with the translation. Now, in my 7th lecture, we will do the book exercises. So, open your books at page number 15. Book page number 15. On page number 15 there are some glossary words given, words along with their meanings. These are all the words which I explained you while we were doing the reading along with the translation. So I don't feel the need to discuss them again. But let me tell you once again that in your paper in section A, the MCQs are which you have to attempt are like of this type. The word will be given along with their meanings, but in the meaning will be the one meaning will be correct, and there will be 4 options given to you, and you will have to encircle and color the correct option. So you have to keep in mind the meanings of all these words. Now come to the next page, page number 16. The first exercise which is given on page number 16 is of comprehension. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is the significance of the title The Champions? What was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? Why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? Question number 4. How did the two friends fight? Describe in your own words in 5 sentences. Question number 5. Compare and contrast the characters of Ali and Gulsher. Question number 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe it in detail. Question number 7. What was the effect of the fight on the relationship of the two friends? Question number 8. Keeping in view the relationship of the two friends, is it easier or harder for them to fight each other? Support your answer by giving references from the text. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your responses with cogent arguments. So these are the 9 questions, and the answers of these questions are written in the hard copy which you can collect from the school. We have made the notes of all these exercises which you can come to school and collect it from the school in hard copy. Choose the correct option for the following sentences. Exercise B is choose the correct option for the following statements. So in your section A in your paper, the MCQs are like of this type. One statement will be given, 4 options will be given, and you will have to take the correct option. So number 1, Gulsher's lean form and long reach made him better boxer. This statement means that Gulsher was a better boxer because he was short, big with long arms. He was tall, skinny with long arms. He was short, skinny with long arms. He was high, well built and short arms. So after reading the unit, you will be also able to answer that he was tall, skinny with long arms. This option number B is correct. Number 2, Ali was dark, short and husky. In this sentence, the phrase short and husky means huge and muscular, thick and strong, small and well built, a powerful and huge. So option C, small and well built, is the correct option. They both sensed that a wall was rising between them. This statement means option number A, they were climbing higher on the wall of fame. Communication gap was increasing between them. They were getting closer to each other, were not happy about their fight. So option B, communication gap was increasing between them. This option is correct. Now turn your page. They could not win the contest because option A, they were not good boxers. They were afraid of each other. They realized that boxing is not a good sport. Friendship was greater than winning fight. Option D, friendship was greater than winning fight, is correct. Now number 5, Ali had restless and fitful sleep on the night before the fight because he had quarreled with Gulsher. He was challenged by Gulsher. He had fallen ill, and that particular night he was disturbed about the effects of forthcoming fight on their friendship. Option D is correct. Now come to the grammar exercise, which is on page number 18. The exercise is about articles. Complete the following sentences using appropriate articles. Dear students, as you know that articles are of two types, definite article and indefinite article. The is definite article which is used for a specific thing, while a and an are indefinite article which are used for general things. My mother is dash doctor and my father is dash author. Option A and a. Option B a and an. Option C the and an. Option D a and no article. So option B is correct, a and an. Amjad recommended dash good dentist, but dash dentist doesn't have any opening for 2 months. Option A no article, the, and. Option C a, the. Option D the. So option C a and the is correct. Now number 3, do you have dash broom? I dropped dash piece of cake and I need to clean it up. Option A and a. Option B no article and a. Option C the and the. Option D and a. So option A and a is correct. Now turn the page. Number 6, do you have dash dictionary? I don't have one and I need to look up dash word. Option A and the. Option B and a. Option B the and a. Option D and a. So option D and a is correct. Now number 5, do you have dash passport? You need dash passport to travel outside of dash country. Option A and the. Option B and the. Option C the and a. Option D the and a. So option A and the is correct. Now come to the next exercise B. Complete the following exercise with a and the article. Put cross where no article is needed. Boxing was originated in the ancient Greece and has been a popular sport even since, especially for cross there is no article, especially for men. Latterly, however, it has been a major health fitness trend for no article for women. Boxing was included during the first Olympic Games in the ancient Greece. Boxing was not a safe sport. They never used gloves. Professional boxing is an excellent career, full stop. The boxer's aim is to land as many punches as the opponent as possible. For most of the 20th century, boxing attracted huge fan and media attention. The next exercise is of pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of noun in place of noun to avoid repetition. For example, if we don't want to repeat a name again and again, we use pronoun for it. Here the statements are given, the sentences are given, and we have to put the correct pronoun in it. My name is Sania, full stop, dash love my family. Option A he, option B I, option C she. So option B I love my family is correct. I met Sania yesterday, full stop, made me laugh. Option A it, option B her, option C she. She made me laugh. Option C is correct. At the left you can see Saad, full stop, dash is my brother. Option A that, option B he, option C it. So option B he is my brother is correct. Birds flap dash wings. Option A it, option B his, option C their. So option C there is correct. My grandparents live in Karachi, full stop, dash visit us. Option A them, option B they, option C their. Option B they visit us is correct. Lubna, Leila and Tahira were cross because dash had waited ages for the bus. Option A, them. Option B, he. Option C, they, because they had waited. Option C is correct. Palwasha watched the children carefully as dash crossed the road. Option A, them. Option B, he. Option C, they, and option D, it. So option C, they, is correct. Watch as they crossed. Statement number 8, hold the bag please while I put the shopping in dash. Option A, him. Option B, it. Option C, she. So option B, it, is correct. Now come to the next exercise. Choose one of the following relative pronoun who, which, or whose to complete each sentences. We have to put the relative pronoun who, which, or whose in the following sentences. I talked to the girl whose car had broken down in front of the shop. Mr. Razak, who is a taxi driver, lives on the corner. Number 3, I live in a house in Naran, which is in northern Pakistan. Number 4, this is the girl who comes from Swat. Number 5, that's Naeem, the boy who has just arrived at the airport. Number 6, those who haven't paid their fee should do so at once. Number 7, this is a detective novel which you might like. Number 8, here are the keys which you were searching for. Question number C, underline the definite indefinite pronoun in the following sentences. Definite pronouns are we used these for things, for places, and for persons. In things, we can say something, anything, nothing. In places, we can say somewhere, anywhere, nowhere. And in persons, we can say someone, anyone, or no one. Everybody enjoys a good movie. Everybody is indefinite pronoun. Does anybody have the time? So anybody is the indefinite pronoun. Nobody knows the trouble I have seen. Nobody. The secret was known by few. Few. No, the secret was known by many. Many. Calculus is too hard for some. Some is indefinite pronoun. Surely you recognize somebody. Somebody is indefinite pronoun. He is not a liar. I am sure everything is said was true. Everything is indefinite pronoun. Now open your books at page number 21. Exercise D. Identify pronouns and their antecedents. In each sentence, underline once the personal pronoun and underline twice its antecedents. As a child, Asma often played with her doll house. So Asma is antecedent and her is pronoun. Number 2, neither Danish nor Wasim will have trouble finding information for their report. Danish and Wasim are antecedent and there is pronoun. Each of the boys refused help, saying that they would proofread the report on their own. So boys is antecedent and they and their they are pronoun. Nobody likes to discover that they have just read a dull report about an interesting subject. Nobody is antecedent and they is pronoun. Number 5, Tanya needs a result card of her grade. Tanya is antecedent and her is pronoun. Asif said that they made their own clothes. Asif is antecedent and they and their is pronoun. One of the girls is antecedent after her sweater left her sweater in the bus. Her is pronoun. Number 8, several other classmates also choose their topic. So classmate is antecedent and there is pronoun. With this we have completed our book exercises. In my next video, inshallah, we will start doing the reading of unit number 3. Once again, I advise you all to do the learning of all these book exercises, as in your section A, all the MCQs comes from these kinds of exercises. Thank you.